Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make game passes in Please Donate or for Please Donate. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the left side of your screen and press on more, the three dots. Then, looking around here, you're going to press on create, which is right here, the two arrows inside like a little box. Then it's going to take you to this site. Okay, and once you're here, you're going to press on creations and you're going to see like all your creations. Now don't worry if you don't have one, because Roblox automatically gives you your own place. Okay, so press on the random thing. I'll press on one I already use and you'll see here you have the thing. Okay, now you're going to go down to monetization and you're going to see here passes. Okay, now you're on the passes. You're going to press create a pass. For the name, you just put anything. I'll put 20, so I'm doing another 20. Don't bother with the description, there's really no point. Okay, create the pass. And now you're not done there. You need to go back onto the 20, which will be at the bottom of your screen. And then you're going to press on sales. Item for sale. You can enable or disable, like, it doesn't really matter. And then for the default price, put whatever you want to charge for it. Okay, then save changes. Proceed. Wait, hold on. Alright, it's good now. Okay, now if I go back, we have a 20 here. And then, like, this is, I only had 120 before, so you'll see, after, you'll see that I have this. Okay, so let's close this. Send to a Please Donate game. Okay, then we claim a booth. Oops. There we go. And you can see here, I have another 20 now, which I just created. If this helped you guys, then make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace!